sure you know that in Adobe Connect, there are several features that display a message on screen outside the meeting environment. For example, Block Incoming Attendees displays this message. Place Participants on Hold displays this message. And Ending the Meeting displays this message. You may also know that you can change these messages to suit your needs. So when I place participants on hold prior to my webinar starting, I can set the message to read, "Thank you for joining Intisolve's Having Fun with Adobe Connect webinar. Today, we will be discussing the following topics: extensions, videos, Adobe presentations, audio files, and background images. The lobby will open 15 minutes prior to the top of the hour. The presentation will begin promptly at 10 a.m. Pacific." What you may not know is that there is more you can do with this message. Let's say, for example, that I want the title of my webinar to stand out a little. To accomplish this, I can use the HTML tag for bold. I simply place a bold tag before the title and a closing bold tag after the title. Here's what it will look like. Okay, what else can we do? What if we want our company name to be a link to our website? Can we do that? Yes. Just place the opening anchor tag before the company name and the closing anchor tag after, then set the properties in the opening anchor tag. Put href equals and the URL of your website. And I found that it works best if the link is set to open in another window. So we'll include the target equals _ blank property. The only thing is that the link doesn't look like a link in the message, so we're going to add an underline. Here's what that looks like. Unfortunately, I haven't found a way to change the color of the text, so that's the best we can do for a link. Now let's add a bullet list for our topics. I'll add the UL tag before the topics and the closing UL tag after. Then for each of the topics, I'll add the LI tag and the closing LI tag. And here's what that list looks like. There's one more tag we can use, the italics tag. So I'll set the start time to be italicized and bolded. Here's what our final message looks like. Nice. Those are the only HTML tags I know of that will work. If you know of any others, I'd love to see your comments. And don't forget, if you need more help with Adobe Connect, just contact Intisolve using the info on the screen.